Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about lathe modifier in 3ds Max. So what is lathe modifier? So if you are using AutoCAD 3D and Revit architecture, you must be familiar with the revolve command. So lathe modifier in 3ds Max is almost similar like revolve command in Revit and AutoCAD 3D. So I'm going to draw some shapes and we'll use lathe modifier. So we are required to draw some 2D shapes. So I'm going to draw in my front side view, and you can also draw in your left side view. So I'm going to draw a shape here. So I'm going to draw a line, simple line here. I'm not going to draw any curve here. If you want, you can make a curve also. You can start pressing your mouse and you can draw any shape here. You can leave your mouse click and you can draw a shape. You can give back a space. That's it. And suppose this is our shape, and you can select this line here, and you can also convert it to editable poly, and can also convert to editable spline, and you can select the vertices and you can adjust this, and you can make it smooth if you want by right clicking this. So likewise you can draw your shape. So I'm going to again adjust this, right click this, and I'm going to make it smoother. You can also adjust this shape. Suppose this is our shape here, and now I'm going to modifier list here, and I will press L, and I'm going to select this lathe command here, and you can see this is our shape here which we have drawn, and I'm going to press Alt W here, and you can see this is the shape which we have drawn. So I can make some interesting shapes like this, and if I'm going to select this, can go to lathe settings. So the first parameters here is degrees. So how much degree if you want to revolve this using lathe modifier. So this is 360 degrees. So I'm going to decrease this, and you can see can make sectional view like this also. So if you are making any shapes like handrails or anything like a mug or tea, coffee, any shapes you can draw like this. So it will be very useful. So slowly you will start developing these skills. So now there is Weld Core. I will come into this and flip normals. So if you want to flip this, you can use this flip normals. And if you want to weld core, so if I am going to my bottom here, you can see we will use weld core. It will weld these things, so it's not visible in this timing. So you can draw any other shapes, and if you select this, it will weld core here. So how much segment if you want? If you want 16, you can select 16. If you will reduce this, it will be not smoother. So you can increase this segment and it will not smoother here. So likewise you can make adjustment here, and there is a capping. So you can deselect this. So if you select this here, and there is not much changes to these shapes, you can draw any other shapes and you can view this. So now the next is direction here, x y z direction. So I'm going to select x direction here, and it will be accordingly change here according to x direction. If you select y, this is the default, and if you select z, it will be according to z direction. By default it is y, so I need to select y. Now the next is align minimum, center and maximum. So if I'm going to select minimum, so it will be minimally revolving using lathe modifier. You can see here. And now we'll select center. By default it is center, so it is making lathe modifier from center. If you will select maximum, it will be maximum. So likewise you can draw interesting shapes here. And if I'm going to select minimum, and if we'll go here and see this, now I'm going to select weld core. You can see this thing is disappearing, so it is becoming more smoother. So likewise you can use this weld core if you want, and flip normal. Like if you are making a staircase in Revit, it will flip. So you can use weld core to making more smoother surface if you required. Otherwise you can leave it unchecked. So this is the use of these directions and align. So I'm going to select minimum, then center. This is default. And now I'm going to select output. So this is patch, this is mesh, and I will make more detailed tutorials about what is mesh, knobs and patch. So this is knobs, so by default mesh, so I'm going to select mesh, and rest the setting is different. So likewise you can make handrails, railings, any other designs using this lathe modifier, so it is very useful. So I will show you one more design here. So I'm going to make any other line here. So I will go to line here, and I will draw any arc here. So this is not much smooth, so I'm going to modify list, and I will select L, then I will go to lathe modifier, and you can see this is another design. And you can see this is more interesting shapes. And likewise you can use this degrees, and you can use this weld core if you required, and you can also start making segments. So more segment, more smooth, less segment, less smooth. So, and you can use this cap start and end, and rest all the settings are same, X Y Z minimum. So it will be like this. You can start trying this lathe modifier. So like patch, mesh, knobs. So this was the tutorial for the today session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in 3ds Max. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.